Okay, hello everyone. This presentation is on the A3 tool. Throughout this video, we will go into depth about what is an A3, how it is used, and how it can drive process improvement in the healthcare system. So when asking the question, what is an A3, the first thing that may come to your mind may be the Audi A3, but what we're more referring to here is the size of your normal 11-inch by 17-inch printer paper. So an A3 is more of a problem-solving, decision-making, and collaborative management tool. It is used by teams throughout UC San Diego Health to summarize goals, ideas, problems, and solutions on one 11 by 17 sheet of paper. Overall, it helps those to see the thinking behind the problem by illustrating and utilizing data to truly understand what they want to solve and identify the best countermeasures to implement in order to reach the target condition. So what exactly does A3 look like? So in order to tell a story on a single sheet of paper, an A3 is split into 7 different sections. So let's start on the left-hand side and take a look at how we analyze the current state of the problem we are trying to solve. So the first step is figuring out and creating your problem statement. What is the issue you are trying to solve? The second is analyzing the current condition. So where are we currently at? The third is setting a target condition. So what outcome do we hope to achieve? And the fourth is conducting a gap analysis. So what are the root causes of the problem? This can be done through root cause analysis tools. And remember to use visuals for this section to make understanding a lot easier. Once the current state is identified, then we are ready to move on to the right side of the tool that looks at the future state. The fifth step is proposing countermeasures. How will the countermeasures that you recommend affect the root causes of the problem and drive us to the target state? You always want to connect it back to your root cause analysis. The sixth step is implementing your plan. So how are we promising implementation, specifically creating a plan that illustrates who is doing what by when? The last step is to check your results and define next steps. So did we see improvements where we expected? If not, what are the next steps to ensure that we get closer to this target condition? If so, how can we sustain this process? Once you have all 7 areas filled out, then your A3 is complete. And here's an example of a completed A3. You can see the problem statement clearly laid out with the current state defined to help the visual of root cause analysis tools. Moving on to the future state, you can see tangible countermeasures and a systematic implementation plan to ensure the problem will be solved in a timely manner. So this concludes my presentation on the A3 tool. I hope you have a better sense of what an A3 tool is, and I will try, and now hopefully you'll try it out on your own. So thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, please reach out to the Transformational Healthcare team member using this email here. Thank you so much.